Fortunately, there are some natural ingredients that can help your body do a better job of burning fat, which can help you lose weight naturally. Check out the recipe. Ingredients: 2 tsp honey, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 250 milliliters water. Preparation: after boiling water, mix in the cinnamon and let it cool. Once the drink has cooled, add honey. Adding honey to boiling liquid strips the honey of many of its most beneficial properties, so let the drink cool first. Drink half just before going to sleep, and the other half first thing in the morning when you wake up, on an empty stomach. You should see results within 7 days, as your body learns to more efficiently burn fat. Continue use until you're satisfied with the results. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and families.